Today I'll be teaching you guys how you guys can download and install Monopoly Go on your PC. Monopoly Go is only available for Android, so if you want to play it on your PC, you need to download an emulator which is going to help you run Android on your PC. For that you can go to your browser and just search for BlueStack download. So just search for BlueStack download and then click on the first option. It is going to take you to the official website. From over here there is two BlueStack. If your PC can't handle the latest version, you can click on the BlueStack 5 and it'll start to download. Once it completes downloading, you can go in your downloads folder and you will see BlueStack installer over here. You can click on it to install it. Your BlueStack completely installed, you can open your BlueStack and it's going to open up just like this. Now once your BlueStack opens up like this, you need to go on Play Store, and from inside your Play Store it's going to ask you to log in into your Google Play account at first. But if you already logged in into your Google Play account, over here where it says search, click on it. And from over here you can just search for Monopoly Go. Once you search for it, you can see Monopoly Go. You can click on install and Monopoly Go will start to install. Once it completes installing, you can open it and start playing Monopoly Go on your PC. And it's that simple to do it. So if you guys found our video helpful, then hit the subscribe to our channel, How to Guide. I'll see you guys next time.